Hi, my name is Lois Banks. I'm a nurse in Detroit, Michigan. I've been a nurse for over 26 years, and I decided to take my 26 years of experience in nursing and to partner with my mentors in health and to just share health information with the world. So, I'm going to start off by talking about what's going on today globally with COVID 19. And I've worked with so far 17 people who have come to me diagnosed with COVID 19. Several people were actually dying. They were sent home to die without a care plan. And nurses, we create care plans. So I thought that was odd that nobody who was sent home had a care plan, either from the nursing staff or from doctors. So I immediately told people to take vitamin D and vitamin C, drink some herbal teas. Immediately, the immune system kicked into gear, fought off sicknesses and disease, and people recover. I didn't lose not one person. And I had a cousin who lives in New Mexico who was in the hospital. He was diagnosed with COVID 19. He was having a hard time breathing. He was gasping for air. He was in a lot of pain. A family member reached out to me. I called him at his hospital bed. I prayed for him first. Then I told him to turn on his call light. I also told him not to talk. I said, turn on your call light. Ask the nurse to call the doctor. Get a vitamin D and a vitamin C order to go into your IV 3 times a day. Sure enough, the doctor said okay. The second day that I called my cousin, he could breathe better. The next day after that, they were weaning him off of his oxygen, and then he was sent home on the third day. So if you have people in the hospital with COVID 19, don't forget to ask for those vitamin D and vitamin C to go into the IV 3 times a day, okay? It'll save your life, it'll save your loved one's life. And I actually got in contact with Senator Debbie Stabenow, who's in my district, and I was asked to submit a policy for just basic standard care in the healthcare system for people who are diagnosed with COVID 19 in the hospital. For whatever reason, this basic nutrition is being overlooked with COVID 19. And this information will save people's lives. I don't want to see anything happen bad to anybody, and I want to make sure that the world has this information. I've also worked with somebody in Sweden. I've worked with people nationally and globally who were diagnosed with COVID 19. So I know for a fact that just basic nutrition entering the body works. Okay, so I just want to make sure you have that information. I also want people to, invest in a book collection written by Paul C. Bragg and Patricia Bragg. They have a book on the miracle of fasting, how to breathe properly, the importance of drinking pure water. People perish for lack of knowledge. You want knowledge. So I highly suggest that you get a hold of those book collections. There's even more information: how to have healthy bones, how to have a healthy heart, and tap into that knowledge and apply that information. Talk to your doctor about it. Make those lifestyle changes. It'll save your life. Also, to internal cleansing. You definitely need to do parasite cleanse once a year. If you've never done a parasite cleanse, you are filled from head to toe with parasites, okay? Since childhood, you need to get that cleaned out. You need to do a mucoid plaque cleanse, which you're going to hear later on in this documentary from Adriana. She's a sweetheart. You need to know how to remove mucoid plaque from the colon, and it has absolutely nothing to do with a colonic, okay, or a colonoscopy. You have to remove mucoid plaque, which is something completely different. It's a rubbery substance that lines the colon and has been growing in your body since childhood. It needs to come out. And internal cleansing, cleaning your body out, is your responsibility. You also need to flush out your gallbladder, your liver, and your kidneys. If you're not doing internal cleansing at least once a year, your body is just filled with toxic poison and it needs to come out. Okay, so at the end of the health documentary, I will list where you can look at the information, how to purchase products, and talk to your healthcare provider about this information. Internal cleansing is your responsibility, just like brushing your teeth and washing your body. pH test strips. You can purchase pH test strips at Whole Foods, at your local health food store, Amazon, online, because you definitely need to know what your pH readings are. You don't want to be too acidic because that will open up the door to sickness and disease in your body. Okay, you want to eat more alkaline foods like fresh fruits and vegetables, alkaline grains like quinoa, and help your body to heal and to do well. Okay, so I want everybody to have a pen and a piece of paper ready, jot down notes, take information, talk to your doctor, talk to your healthcare provider. Consider creating your own team. I mean, with a medical doctor, with a naturopathic doctor, and with a DO. A DO practices traditional medicine and holistic medicine. They take insurances. Okay, a naturopathic doctor, they do not take insurances, but they have a lot of knowledge that could be a blessing to you. And then a regular medical doctor, they have knowledge too that will be a blessing to you, but when you put it all together, you'll have a better picture of the opportunities that are available to you that could be a blessing to your life. Okay, so just wanted to make sure you have that information. Listen, I love the world. I love people. I love being a nurse. And I want people to have knowledge. Okay, I want you to have knowledge. So I want you to listen to the rest of the health documentary. Pull in that information. Like I said, keep notes and then apply the information so that you can improve your health, live and be well, and just have a blessed life. God bless you.